it's me, Eli. Check out my video on Eli and Chaz's awesome adventures. I'm gonna tell you about Chaz's new set about the Hot Wheels. So this is, you can park here, but you also can see like this. You can go on that and it brings you up here and you slide down all the way to right here, or you can turn around, you go down here and you can go to this other set right here, which is the other set. But moving on. So this is like a little gate for this, and this is like a gas station thing. See, and there's other stuff. See, like this, that's like a dinosaur. It can probably eat you. I don't know because it's not mine, but
it can. You gotta try to voice it down a couple times.
Yeah.
You can try to voice it.
But this is a motorcycle, so it wouldn't really work.
Yeah.
Well,
here's something. Here's one. Let me show you something.
See, look. It tries to trap you, but look. Here's this one. Look at that. See, if that's down, it knocks it right off. So you're gonna have to put that up when you do it. So yeah, that's about that. But moving on. So there's this right here. I don't really know. And this is I don't really know about this one. This is a car wash, because you can see how this can fit through there. See, it's like a car wash thing. And there's other stuff. So just come back to me. Peace.
Whoa.